Hello students, now we will discuss latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization. It is denoted by LV. Student, latent heat is an amount of heat which do not increase the temperature. Latent heat is the amount of heat which do not increase the temperature. Of a liquid. Increase the temperature of a liquid when it boils. Now question arise where this heat goes. Actually this heat is used to overcome the forces of intermolecular attractions when a liquid boils. जब कोई लिक्विड बॉईल करता है तो बॉईल होने में लिक्विड कन्वर्ट होता है गैस में, और गैस में पार्टिकल्स ज़्यादा दूर दूर होते हैं, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन उनके बीच में नेग्लिजिबल होती है, और लिक्विड में पार्टिकल्स पास होते हैं, क्लोजर होते हैं, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में ज़्यादा होती है. तो जब फेज चेंज होता है, व्हेन देयर इज़ अ फेज चेंज फ्रॉम लिक्विड टू गैस during vaporization, then the heat supplied to the liquid goes to decrease or overcome the force of attraction between the molecules of the liquid, and this heat is called latent heat of vaporization. For example, the latent heat of vaporization for water. The latent heat for vaporization for water at 1 atm at 1 atmospheric pressure is 540 calorie per gram. 540 calorie per gram, or which is equal to 22.6 into 10 to the power 5 joule per kg for water. Now we will discuss phase change. During phase change, the matter converts its phase, and the matter goes from solid to liquid, or liquid to gas, or liquid to solid. This is called as phase change. The process of phase change can be explained with the help of this graph. in this graph there is a phase change of solid ice to liquid vapor, and then solid ice to liquid water, and then liquid water to vapor. This is the graph. This is the temperature, and here is the phase. So students, we start according this diagram. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and this is gas. With the help of this diagram, we will discuss the change of solid ice to water in gaseous state. We start from step 1. As the ice initially at minus 50 degrees Celsius, as you shown in this graph, there is solid ice at minus 50 degrees Celsius. When its temperature increases by 2 degree per Celsius, 2 degree Celsius per 2 degree Celsius per kilo, 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर किलो कैलोरी. ठीक है, 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर किलो कैलोरी. द स्टेडी टेम्परेचर राइज स्टॉप्स. आफ्टर सम टाइम, कुछ देर के बाद टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होना क्या हो जाता है, स्टॉप हो जाता है. एट दिस स्टेज व्हेन टेम्परेचर stops to rise, the water starts melting, and this condition is shown by line A to B of this graph. This line A to B represents melting of ice into liquid water. ठीक है, here phase change takes place from solid to liquid. Now we consider another phase. Of this graph, which is from B to C. In this case, when the temperature remains constant 0 degree, when entire ice melts to liquid water. ठीक है, when temperature is further increases, when entire जब सारा का सारा आइस मेल्ट हो चुका होता है लिक्विड वाटर में, तो उसके बाद हीट हम लगातार सप्लाई कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद टेम्परेचर फिर राइज होना शुरू होता है. और जब टेम्परेचर राइज होना शुरू होता है, ये इसको दिखाती है ये ग्राफ का पोर्शन B to C. व्हेन टेम्परेचर बिगिन टू राइज फ्रॉम B to C, द वाटर बिगिन टू बॉयल एट पॉइंट C. Liquid water begin to boil at point C. This takes place when the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius at C. Now for some time the temperature again become constant. This represented by graph C to D. In this portion of the graph, we are supplying heat to the water, but temperature is not rising, and temperature is constant at 100 degree Celsius. This represent another phase change, represent another phase change. Here so liquid water begin to convert into gaseous state, okay, and temperature remains constant. Now at this condition, heat supplied to this water, to this sample of water, goes in overcoming the forces of attraction, goes in overcoming the forces of attraction between particles of water, because they are converting into gaseous phase, okay. From C to D up to point D, the entire water converts into gaseous phase, that is in phase of in form of steam. Now when entire water, liquid water, converts to steam, the temperature again begin to rise, टेम्परेचर फिर बढ़ना शुरू हो जाता है, और इसको रिप्रेजेंट करती है ग्राफ की लाइन DE। ग्राफ की लाइन D किसको रिप्रेजेंट करती है? जब सारा वाटर कन्वर्ट हो चुका होता है वेपर में, तो फिर से अगेन उसका टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होना शुरू हो जाता है, इसको रिप्रेजेंट करती है DE। तो इस तरह से ये फेज चेंज होता है, दैट इज फेज चेंज टेक्स प्लेस इन केस ऑफ solid ice to vapor phase, okay. This was the graph for phase change, okay. Thank you.